How to fix screen rotation not working issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like screen rotation issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open Play Store. Now go to the search bar and search for Sensor Test. Now install this Sensor Test app, and after installing, tap on open and then test the accelerometer sensor. So tap on test. Now if you don't know how to test, then you can tap on this question mark, and then it will show you the instruction to use the sensor test. Now you can tilt your screen to test the sensor. So you can see sensor is working properly. But in case if your sensor is not working, then this ball will not move on the screen. So then fix your sensor, and after that the screen rotation will start working properly. But in case if your sensor is working properly and you are still facing the issue while rotating your screen, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now here click on reset all settings, and then again click on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the screen rotation will start working perfectly. So that's how you can fix the screen rotation not working issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.